Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia and I'm an interior designer. Today's topic I want to dedicate to design objects that were created some times ago in the 20th century and have become bestsellers and have become statement pieces incorporated in different also Hollywood movies, in different very important houses, and also VIPs around the world are buying these objects even today, up until today, and to create their unique interior design styles. So if this topic is of your interest, then keep on watching. The first on my list is a table lamp that is called Atollo, and it was created in 1977 by Vico Magistretti. Actually, in 1979, Vico Magistretti won the Golden Compass Award for the creation of this table lamp. It's basically an industrial design that establishes high standards for original design, creative idea, and uniqueness of these objects. Altogether, it's like Oscars in the world of interior design. This award was originated in 1954 by the Italian company La Rinascente, originated by Gio Ponti and Alberto Rosselli. This design piece, this lighting object, is very particular. It has basically two parts. It has the base, which is a cylindrical base, and it has the upper part, which is a half a moon or a spherical upper part. It's made of varnished aluminium. Usually it comes in black, a lacquered black, and on the internal in golden finishing. But today's company, which is O LUCE, that produces this object, it comes in three different sizes, and it is available in different finishings. So you have the opportunity to choose the one that is suited best for your interiors. However, this simple geometrical structure and made of this object a very unique, accessible, modern, and quite universal object to be incorporated in any type of interior, in the modern houses, but also in the contemporary or even classical ones. This table lamp is made of two distinctive elements joined together by almost invisible part. Even when he created this, when he invented this object, he actually designed different sketches, and the producer had to, it took some years to figure out how to bring them together to maintain the original design, which is almost a floating object. When it is lighting up, you see only these geometrical forms and you don't see the joints, which is so unique for this for this object. It is basically a smart combination of abstract geometry and lighting effects. So all the details, such as joints, cables, sockets, are always hidden from sight. So here prevails the simple forms and harmonic composition and nothing extra. So it's very minimalistic and at the same time beautiful, simple and beautiful. It comes in three different sizes. It has the diameter of the sphere that is coming from a 25 centimeters, then to 38 centimeters, and the biggest is 50 centimeters. And when you are thinking, for example, where to place such a table lamp, if on the nightstand or in the living room or in your office maybe, or you can have also a composition of these lamps, for example, one bigger, the medium one, and the small one, maybe placed on the floor, for example, near the bed, or if you have other spaces that allow such compositions, because you need space to create a play of light and shadows, so it will be very convincing and actually beautiful. You need to consider the space it requires. So always take a meter, and you have to look around on your apartment or house where you want to place it, and have the idea of considering how much space it requires and how much it can illuminate in lighting, so it will be balanced up. But however, this lighting object is very beautiful, simple, but beautiful. I saw it also incorporated in many VIPS houses that you can see also on project made by AD Interiors, which is one of my favorite journals to look up. But also in many Hollywood movies, even the recent ones. It's a design object that is very appreciative, very loved, and quite unique. It's made in Italy. It is produced by O LUCE, which is basically the ancient producer of design lighting in Italy. So it has a great history. It has the value over time, and it has also the consistent quality of producing the lighting. So it's definitely a beautiful piece to consider for your own spaces. Another beautiful design object of lighting that is worth mentioning is the Chandelier 2097, created by Gino Sarfatti. This is the reincarnation of a classical chandelier, which by that time was always, embellished and made in the classical styles. So what Gino Sarfatti did was to eliminate all the extra and create a beautiful, minimalistic, modern structure that will be the start, the beginning of the chandeliers in the modern houses. What you must know about Gino Sarfatti is that he was one of the most prominent figures in the lighting design of Italian post-war period. To him are recognized over 400 different lighting projects that he created for the Italian company Arco, created in 1939. Afterwards, this company was sold to another Italian company, which is FLOS, and the transition period was 1974. So since then, this chandelier is produced by FLOS, which is basically the guarantee for quality, for for design pieces, and qualitative materials. So nothing better than a FLOS lighting to our homes. However, this Chandelier 2097 is an essential item in the catalog of FLOS, and it represents, how I said before, the reincarnation and the revised version of a classical chandelier. So what he did is to shape a rationalized chandelier made of one-piece base and arms made of brass. All the flexible cables, along with lighting bulbs, remain inside. So today this chandelier 2097 is produced by FLOS, and it's made in it's proposed in two sizes, in a diameter that is of 30 centimeters, and the one which is the classical in diameter of 50 centimeters. So it's definitely a design object that is kind of an investment. So you acquire with it also the value of the chandelier signed by its creator, and also it maintains the reselling power in the future. Another truly beautiful design pieces of lighting for home spaces is the creation of the floor lamp called Arco, an invention of the brothers Castiglioni from 1962 for the Italian company FLOS. This floor lamp is amazing about its simplicity, qualitative materials used, and the design shape that it offers. It is one of the most sold pieces of lighting around the world and one of the most incorporated in many scenes, many movies, and one of the first ones, one of the first appearances is the one in Diamonds Are Forever with James Bond from 1971. However, this floor lamp is quite simple by its structure, but very unique and particular. It has a marble base, a rectangular shaped marble. Originally it was proposed in Bianco di Carrara, but today it is proposed also in different colors, so in different marbles. From it comes a steel arch that is rising up to 2 meters from the ground, creating kind of space under it, so you can place a chaise-longue or an armchair or a table with chairs or anything else, and on it you can have the lampshade. It's quite unique, quite simple, and at the same time truly beautiful. The flexible reflector is adjustable in height, and it is made of molded aluminium. And the inventors also thoughtfully cared about the possibility to move around the home this table lamp, because it's quite heavy. The structure is basically a block made in marble, so it has a weight over 45 kilograms, which is 99 pounds, so it's quite heavy. So what they did was to create this small round hole inside the base marble, so you can put a bar in it and lift it up and then transport it around the house. This is a beautiful floor lamp. You can use it in your homes or in offices or in big corporations, for example the waiting room, or in offices of directors. It's truly remarkable pieces known around the world. It's like a Chanel bag. It is recognized as a design object, so it has the power of lasting for years to come. The price point today is not so big. It's around 1,600 euro, the public price. So you can see on the website of the producer company, which is FLOS, where are situated the dealers in Italy or abroad, and then you can see the possibilities, the variations of the marble that you can choose from. Very beautiful, very unique, very simple, and truly a fashion that will never go out of fashion. Truly, it's the descriptive part of this floor lamp. Many of these design objects actually have their long history of creation, and if you want, you can search on the original websites of the producers. Many of them actually hold this information for every design object they have in their collection, so you can see by yourself that acquiring a design object of lighting or armchair or chaise-longue or something else, you actually acquire a value in time. With it, you will have the signature of its author, the quality of materials, the guarantee over time, and the value that will never lose, in the years to come. These design objects were valuable of the time of their creation, and they will remain up to date even in the next years to come. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to share with you some of the design pieces that are truly remarkable and that truly deserve to be mentioned and to be known by the large public, so you can love them even more and that you can hear about them. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!